Hi, my name is Lemon. Today I will discuss the DFY Clickbank affiliate funnel, BLG, in a complete step-by-step review. And those of you who are new to my channel, to get my good review, please subscribe to my channel. Let's start today. Best your reviews. DFY Clickbank affiliate funnel, BLG. Easy method to generate affiliate commission from Clickbank. Download ready to profit PDF report with affiliated funnel package. An easy way to build a huge email list and promote Clickbank product. Our cloud software inserts your Clickbank link on the 30 pages PDF report. High converting Clickbank products will be promoted with your affiliate link. Just give away this PDF report and start generating commission. This product 30-day money-back guarantee, a cloud-based software to customize the funnel with your Clickbank affiliate link and start your affiliate journey. If you buy now this product, please check out my video description of this product link. Buy now this product and enjoy your affiliated journey. What is DFY Clickbank Affiliate Funnel 1? DFY, shorthand for Done For You, embodies the very spirit of this game-changing affiliate marketing funnel. Imagine a powerhouse that not only simplifies, but supercharges your journey to conversion, sales boosts, and commission maximization. No need for intricate technical skills. This is all about ease. Picture yourself just copying, monetizing, and watching your earnings skyrocket. Embrace simplicity and let DFY redefine the game, turning your affiliate marketing endeavors into a seamless and lucrative success story. How it works. The exquisite potential of DFY Clickbank Affiliate Funnel 1, where simplicity meets unparalleled efficiency. Upon acquiring this powerhouse, you'll open the doors to a meticulously crafted system that breathes life into your affiliate marketing endeavors. Dive into a user-friendly, step-by-step process that seamlessly integrates the funnel into your strategy. This isn't just about capturing leads or driving conversions. It's a strategic masterpiece, finely tuned to optimize every facet and elevate your results to new heights. Why DFY Clickbank Affiliate Funnel? Buy this product. You don't need a separate landing page. There are many types of PDF, which will help you to increase your Clickbank sales, because landing page is 100% essential. The better the landing page, the more sales can be expected, so this is the best information for you. Features: high converting landing pages, professionally designed landing pages that capture attention and drive engagement, automated email sequences, nurture leads and guide them through the sales funnel with strategically timed and crafted email sequences, integrated sales funnel, from awareness to conversion. The funnel seamlessly guides prospects through each stage of the buyer's journey. Benefits: effortless implementation. No need to be a tech wizard. DFY Clickbank Affiliate Funnel 1 is designed for users of all skill levels, ensuring a hassle-free setup. Conversion optimization. The funnel is crafted with a keen focus on converting visitors into customers, ultimately maximizing your commissions. Time saving. Pros and cons. Pros: user-friendly, designed for individuals with varying levels of technical expertise. Comprehensive solution, covers all aspects of the affiliate marketing process. Time efficient, ready to use, saving you valuable time. Cons: limited customization. Some users might desire more flexibility for personalized branding. If you buy now this product, please check out my video description of this product link. Buy now this product and enjoy your affiliated journey.